What's up, y'all? Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today, guys, I want to talk about salt on your lawn. So depending on where you live, depending on the amount of snow that you get, salt on your lawn can be a real concern. And so I just want to spend a few minutes today just talking about it. Is it something that you should be worried about? Is it going to kill your lawn? What can you do about it if you do get some salt on your lawn? So basically what I'm talking about is, when you put out salt on the road, sometimes those plows come by and they push that salt on your lawn and that snow piles up maybe on the front of your lawn, or maybe you salt your driveways, sidewalks, and then when you go to scrape your driveway, those piles of snow maybe get thrown on your lawn. Is it going to kill it? What can you do about it? Is it something we need to worry about? So first of all, don't panic. If you get snow on your lawn, it's not something that you need to be overly concerned about. But what we really need to try to think about is trying to mitigate as much salt on the lawn as possible. Yes, too much salt will actually kill your lawn. Salt actually draws out moisture, so your leaf tissue will turn kind of that brownish color. It'll shrivel up, and that's just from it drying out. Salt just has that natural tendency to do that. Plus, typically, when you get those big piles of snow on your lawn, it's also shading out the turf as well. So the lawn's not able to breathe. You've got all that salt sitting on your lawn. And when that snow melts and dissolves and goes into the ground, that's actually what is causing the damage. Typically, you're going to see it, right where those major snow piles are, right? So right along the edges of your driveway, at the road where the snow just piles up. Okay, is it something to be overly worried about? No, but what we really want to try to do is really limit the amount of snow that we pile on the lawn to begin with. Now, that's easy for me to say. Here in North Carolina, we don't get a tremendous amount of snow. I know a lot of you guys up north get a lot of snow, and it becomes a problem. Like, what am I going to do with it? Where do I put it? But if you can, try to put it where it's not on the lawn. All right, so when you are plowing your driveway or maybe plowing your road, try to get it out off of the lawn as best as you can. Now, if you do happen to get salt on your lawn, the best thing to do is to try to dissolve that, maybe push some extra water through it, especially in maybe early spring. We really want to dilute that salt. We don't want it to just sit and dissolve in the ground. Rain will do a really good job of trying to wash that salt out. We're just trying to dissolve it, dilute it, get it through the soil so that it's not a super concentrate that is just sitting in our soil, killing our lawn. So between those two things, if you're trying to avoid it as much as you can, and then also once you get that salt, it has been piling up and building up over your lawn in the springtime, if you try to wash it or rinse it or water your lawn, give it extra heavy water, dilute it, you're probably still going to have some thin areas. The grass is going to thin out. That's perfectly normal. You're going to get that, but maybe you won't get as much dieback as say you normally would. So hope this helps you out. Try to mitigate the salt that you're putting on there when you're plowing your driveway. Try to not push that onto the lawn as best as you can. If you do get salt in the lawn, that's okay. Just try to water your lawn and try to really push that salt through, and it should be okay. You're probably going to get some damage areas that you're going to have to repair anyway, but it's going to be okay. So I hope this video helps you. Make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about what I said. If you have another tip for how to deal with salt on the lawn, I would love to hear from you. I know it's something that a lot of people are worried about. If you're new to the channel, my name is Devin. I am the DIY lawn coach. I just make YouTube videos all throughout the year trying to help DIYers have the best looking lawn possible. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Hit that like button. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace.